To my lecture. Today we are going to discuss one Olympiad maths problem, and the problem is that find x when you have this nested square root is equal to 187. So we have to do a step-by-step solution for this problem. First, we recall some basic information which is needed for the to solve this problem is power of 3. So first we check that what are the power of 3. So 3 square 9, 3 to the power 3 27, 3 to the power 4 81, 3 to the power 5 is 43, 3 to the 6 is 7 to 9, 3 to the power 7 is 2187. So this required to calculate this problem. And also we need some rules for the power. A to the power m to the power n, which is equal a to the power m multiply n. A to the power m power 1 over n is same as a to the power m over n, and a to the power m cross a to the power n is equal a to the power m plus n. So this basic information is required to solve this problem. So now we'll go step by step solve this problem. Solution steps. Steps 1. We are taking the first square root part, 81 to the power 3 to the power x. So now 81 is same as 3 to the power 4. So now 3 to the power 4 power 3x is written as 3 to the power 12x. Now 3 to the power 12x and a square root, so we have a power half. So 12x over 2, which is 3 to the power 6x. So this is the first square root. In 3 nested square root, we calculate it. So it is 3 to the power 6x. Now we move to the step 2, and we will calculate this square root. So already 81 to the power 3x is 3 to the power 6x, and then we simplify 9 to the power 2x. So this is 9 can be written as this square and then power 2x. So it will be 3 to the power 4x multiply 3 to the power 6x. So the power will be added. It will become 3 to the power 10x. Now 3 to the power 10x square root. So power will be divided by 2. So we are getting 3 to the power 5x. So this 2 nested square root value is 3 to the power 5x. Now we'll in step 3 we'll consider the third one and simplify further. Step 3 we'll have this one. So already the inside 2 square root already calculated, which is 3 to the power 5x, and the outside one we can written at 3 to the power x. So again multiply the power, it will be 3 to the power 6x, and then it is divided by 2, it will be 3 to the power 3x. So the finally we have this is equal to 187. So which implies 3 to the power 3x is equal 3 to the power 7. So in the first slide, we give this calculation that 3 to the power 7 is 2187. So therefore, whenever the power is same, so this is another basic rule required, that if 3 to the power m equal 3 to the power n, then m is equal to n. So therefore, this will gives you 3 to the 3x equal 7. And then finally, x is equal 7 over 3. So this is the final answer.